Hey everyone, and welcome back to RK Travel. Today we're aboard the Utopia of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's newest Oasis-class ship. We're touring an interior stateroom with a Central Park view, which is a really unique option if you want an interior cabin but still enjoy a view overlooking the ship's Central Park neighborhood. I'll show you the full layout, storage, bathroom, and what this room is like during your cruise. Let's head inside and take a look. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos just like this one. Thanks again for watching this interior Central Park view room tour on Utopia of the Seas. If you found this helpful while planning a cruise, make sure to like the video, subscribe to RK Travel, and comment below with which cabin or ship you'd want to see next. See you in the next tour.